Mm-mm. Sudah share
Okay,
untuk
so let's start with our next session of the presentation. Okay, so I think group number 3, right?
yes, group
Yes,
number
doctor.
3.
All right, so let's start. Okay, I'll give this to the leader of the team. Okay, you can start presenting.
Assalamualaikum, doctor. We
Waalaikumsalam.
are from group number 3. At
Mm.
first, I am going to introduce my group. As the leader, I am MD Jaman Russell. Here is Asif Iqbal, Naimul Hassan Shimon, Saad Kabiruddin, and Sadman Saqib are the other members of my group. So at first, Sad Kabir is going to show his part. After we will show one by one. Thank you.
Okay, so Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
So my part is the home part. So I want to share my screen. So here I go. So here I'm sharing my screen. This is the XAMPP control panel. All of you can see.
Yes.
Okay, so this is our PHPMyAdmin. This is our database, and this is our main home page. So my part is the home page one. So and this is the admin panel, and we need to log in for it. And
Okay,
so,
Saad. So
yeah.
before you start, so better you introduce us your template selected, because we also forget our
Okay, sorry,
template
sorry.
actually, and then you go through for the template and then show the initial template and then tell us which part you did and then who did that part.
Okay. So our project is about restaurant. So this is a
This is
restaurant
the
with,
original template.
yeah.
Mm-mm.
Okay, then you can show
So
after you edit.
Mm-mm.
okay, so my part is home part. So this is the home part, and we can see like 4, 5, 6, 7 images. So in the home part, there are just featured and the famous foods for other restaurant, and they're shown here. So in admin panel, I will just log out and show you how to log in here, because this is the project restaurant and login.php. Here we go, and our password is 126. So here I log in, and there's dashboard here, and then home. This is my part. So here we can see the images. So for my part, I can edit them, and I can delete them. I can also add new pictures here. So suppose from my desktop, there's my favorite Malaysian food, nasi goreng ayam. So I'm gonna upload this. So we can see it has been uploaded here, this one. And also in the database, it is also uploaded here. We can see that.
Okay, where's the image
So
located?
what?
Where's the image
Sorry,
located?
this image is located in my desktop here. I just selected and uploaded it from there. And
so you
also,
upload first directly to your server, is it?
yeah. And also I can use this delete button to delete that selected image. And here, when I refresh it, it is gone from here. And also from here, we can see it's not there. So
why
this is
your image size is not proper if you upload a new?
yeah, that image I just downloaded now. So actually the size is not
proper.
like the other
others.
images here, but
Mm-mm.
that was just example that I can edit and add and delete here. So I just used that. That was just random image from Google.
Okay.
Okay, so here I can also log out, and when I log out, there's another option called forget password. So when I click here, I can enter the email. So the email is admin@gmail.com. So the favorite food is set as pizza. It is to recover my password. So if I type 12345, this will be the new password. So here when I type here 12345, previously it was 126, now it is 125. So now I can log in with 125. So this was my part, and next there is about us, and my friend Russell gonna share it with you guys. And also, do you need me to share the code or something?
Not so not for
Okay.
this time. If you
Okay,
want,
okay.
if we want to see your code, so we ask you
Well,
to
ask
show
her,
your
please.
code. Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Mm.
Doctor. Now I am going to share my first. I am going to introduce you about us option.
Okay, Rokno Zaman, eh?
Yes, doctor.
Mm-mm.
So at first for this part, I am going to log into the admin panel. Admin. Last time I tried to recheck the program, so that's why I changed the password. So I log into the system now. I am going to about us section. Here is the admin panel for about us system, and here is the user page for about us. Here we can change the picture for the shape, and we can change the description from here. So if I want to change the description, we can update it from here. If we change it here,
Why your description so small?
yeah,
When you
doctor. Actually, we forget to set as text area.
The same thing lah.
Actually, we done lots of things in last 1 or 2 days, so it's become heavy situation for us. So we can also choose the picture from here. Suppose I am going to choose this picture logo, which is standing my desktop. So okay, if I submit this, then it has been updated. If I refresh it here, yeah, here it's updated. You can
is
see
a picture?
here it is updated. Yes, sir.
Is it logo?
The picture is not shown.
I can change the video. It's show doctor. Here is the reference with the picture. I can show you. You change the picture.
Go to the picture.
Actually, images. Yeah. Sometime going to choose this one. Submit. Here is the picture.
How many items can you add in? Can you add few more things inside?
Just one for. I can add more things from here. I can add more picture and description.
If I want to add more descriptions,
Yes, yes. Yeah, second one. Here is the second one. We can update it from here. What we want
So
to
means you
have.
have more pictures, you will just hit inside.
Yes, doctor. Because in a restaurant there are too many chefs, so we can add all of them in the one place. In one place,
How about the
we can.
title? How about the title? So can you go up? So our restaurant chef have to cook good. So can I change the title?
No, doctor. Actually, we have not worked on it.
Mm.
We
suppose
followed
we
the
can check.
template actually. Actually, we followed the whole template. We take it from
But the
here.
image also not consistent. See? One image
Yes.
is big, one image is small.
Yes,
Because
doctor. It depends on what we have updated, what we have uploaded.
Why? Okay, you can control it, right? You can
Mm.
make it consistent,
Fast.
right?
Yes, doctor.
You have learned before HTML, right?
Yes, doctor.
You can control the width and height, right?
Yes, doctor.
Then why didn't you do it?
Actually, doctor, we made the mistake here.
Okay. Okay, supposedly actually the page is simple because you just added the image, right? Only for the image,
Yes,
and then for the
yes,
description, and then suppose the title also you need to control actually.
Hmm.
This one, okay, our restaurant, because if I bought your template, so I want to change uh, our restaurant change to our okay shop, something like that. So actually the title here, so you also need to uh, save into a database, because if I buy this template, I only can change the picture, but the title actually I want to go to my restaurant name.
yes,
That's why we need to change all. For example, the restaurants on your left side also the title. So also we can change actually the restaurant too. Maybe for our shop lah, something like that.
yes,
Mm-mm. Okay.
yes, doctor.
That's why we
Okay.
say, so for one page, so you need to cover all the, you need to make it all the content change to database, even single content. For example, the icon also we can change. For example, home, about us, blog, menu, news, content. So maybe when I buy this template, I want to say home, actually I want to say something like something else. So maybe I
How to
want to
change the
change
meaning, everything.
you want to change the title of the menu. So actually all the things you need to put in a database actually. So
Yes,
that's we kind of templates lah.
yes,
So for those who do not know the programming, so they can just simply change use through your form. No need to coding. Okay.
Okay. Right. Can you scroll down a bit?
Mm-mm.
yes,
Sama-sama. Sama-sama. Right. You see the, okay, go up, go up.
Mm-mm.
Up a bit. Up. Go up.
Up.
Go up, not down. Okay,
Up,
wait,
up.
not too fast, not too slow. Go down again.
Okay. Slow.
Okay, some more down, a bit down, a bit down, a bit down. Okay, a bit down, a bit more down. Right, okay. You see the second.
Second.
Okay,
Second.
second one. I mean, is it? I think the wording here is a bit too small. The picture is a bit too big. So sometimes people want to read also quite tough.
This one description, right?
Descriptions.
yes,
Because if you go up, okay, the standard actually can you go the first picture, the cake, the first one,
yes,
so same size, right? Same size, so it's very small lah, so we can't see actually. So this one actually for making stylist lah.
Can we see the original template without
Original
editing?
template.
Can you see the original template?
Yes, yes,
Is it
teacher.
smaller like that?
Original template before you edit.
Okay.
The original template.
Yes. So,
The other one. I think you have unzipped it, the restaurant.
Mm-mm. That one. That one.
Not this one, I think. Demo, is it? Go inside the Teams.
Team.
Restaurant. Okay, index.
Hey,
Okay, scroll down a bit. The same thing. Okay, all right, this one
The
here.
same thing. Okay, the same thing, sir.
Mm.
Same thing. So the whole of the template.
But you see, the pictures
Mm.
here,
Mm-mm.
there's word,
Mm-mm.
and there's this one. Suppose if you have, it has supposed to be picture, this big word, and there's this one. But your one only have picture and this. This one is not there. You see?
Ada. They go
Yes,
up.
It's only the top, in the top.
Top.
But it's supposed to be replicated. This three will becomes like one part. Part one, part two, part three. But when you make a copy another one, then this one will be, it like your template has messed up. This is the supposed to be the template, but your template becomes different. So what you do was this one becomes on the top, picture, and this one. But if you have another picture after that, you only show the pictures and the description. The title is
The
not,
title is not there.
it's not there.
Our restaurant website has to look good. The second
Yeah.
one tu lah.
Yep, it is not in the actual order. Do you see or not?
yes, the correct answer.
Okay, it's supposed to be three parts. If you make a one component, so you have picture, you have the title, and you have the description. When you have another image, you should be also image, description, and I mean the title and the description. But what you did was it's a bit different. So you have this one on top,
You
and
miss
you have
this one.
pictures and this one. You miss this one.
Yes, I just missed it. I thought it's I use it as the
I thought that one is
header.
header.
Header. I use it as header.
So that's why it is actually very important to understand the template before you do the editing. Okay, if you don't do editing properly,
I missed it because messed up with header file. I thought we get there is a
I think
header and
this one you can word actually. You can do it this one. Actually.
you can do
yes,
it.
that's right. I can.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. I can do that. Inshallah, I
You
can
just forget.
update it.
You just mislook this one. Okay. I also thought this one actually once you present your word, so I thought this one just a main title, but when we goes to the initial template, so actually there is one part lah. So
Yes.
if you add new things, so you can add the three item. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
thank you. So now my another group mate can is going to share his part.
I think somebody is lagging a bit.
Lagging.
Lagging a bit.
Can hear.
Yes. So this is all my part. Now my next group mate is going to share his part.
Okay.
Okay. Who's next?
Okay.
I'm going to share my part here. So I'm going to scan.
Okay, Simon.
This one. So can you see my screen?
Okay.
Yes.
So here my part is menu part. So,
Menu. Okay.
so here is the menu. So
Can you show the original as well to compare before and after?
Doctor, here I can edit or delete, I can like my favorite what is uh, food is chicken curry. So here I description it is very delicious and price. Uh, 50. So you can submit it. So here you can see or I can add this one. So if I go there, refresh this page.
Chicken curry.
Yeah, it's showing the chicken curry. Also, if I want to here so I cannot remove this picture. Oh, okay, okay. If I want to edit this one like chicken curry, chicken masala,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, it's very see, and also price I will increasing 70. No, submit. So I edit it, and if I want to refresh it, and
Masala.
yes. So here here just I can edit and I can upload the menu whatever I like food or whatever my restaurant shape want to add or delete and
Okay. On menu the price, can you change on our menu the price and then
uh,
the tag description,
oh,
pictures on the week.
doctor
This one in
not
one page, right?
yeah doctor
This one in one page.
uh,
Okay.
this cannot edit yet doctor just do this one
But suppose
Change
you
it.
change, suppose
yeah
you need to change because in one page, so make it all editable.
okay
Okay.
okay
You just maintain our menu. The price actually the same style, but the content actually different. The content only different. So the contents you need to change into your DB lah. Okay. So maybe I want to put the another statement, not our menu the price, but right. So that is our purpose lah. Okay.
okay doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you doctor
Okay.
uh,
So they have no picture for your page. Okay. Okay. No
okay
picture. Okay.
okay doctor I will add it
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
so my friends next will going to share so I'm going to stop my screen oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now my friends will share his part.
Mm-hmm. Who's next?
Rishad.
Assalamualaikum, Doctor.
Okay,
I'm
Samet.
Sadman Sakib.
Okay, Samet. Samet. Okay. Okay.
Doctor, we have worked on this project in less time, so there are some, maybe we just want to show the functions because we have not updated it properly, so there are some lack of content. Sorry for that.
Mm-mm. Okay.
We'll update it as soon as possible.
Mm-hmm.
So my part of presentation is for the news. That's mean about the news, we can understand it's the daily update, like the newspaper. So anything new we can of our restaurant, we can update it from the latest news. Like if I update it from the post it from the admin panel and refresh it on the main application, it is visible there. That's mean and for the newsletter of a student, one need to subscribe. The subscription function is we have to like if I add an email, that's mean the customer add an email and subscribe in the main menu. We can see that there is a subscription in the admin panel of the subscribed user, and the admin can also keep the subscription or delete it. But by subscription, the client can also see the everyday thing of the restaurants and can know about the restaurant. If I delete it, the subscription will be gone. That's my part, doctor. If anything, you have any question, you can ask me.
How about update?
Update. Okay.
You have insert, you have delete, but where's update?
Mm-mm. Update view. Okay, view you have. Update, insert, new. Subscriber you have.
What is the purpose of the subscription? I mean, again, can you demo again one more time?
Which is the part? Subscription.
Subscription.
Part.
So what is the impact?
Oh, that's one.
For subscription is needed for the update of the news, like I explained earlier that for news, the restaurants always come with something new every day, so we post many things on the wall. For the viewing of the contents, one need to subscribe, and that is the necessity of the subscription in the newsletter.
But does it impact your current system? Does it include the crude that we are looking for?
Yes, doctor, it is impact because it's a dynamic page. So for the daily updates, one need to subscribe, and also for the know about the restaurant's progress, the how it's going and how it will be gone, but what is the new thing. So I think
I know, but it's not included. But if you are looking into that subscription, so you should implement it into full with crude, create, update, delete. So right now you have missing of update. So where's your update? So if you don't have update, then how will you give marks to you? And what is the benefit of having it? So right now the view is not there. So how you want to remove? So you have crude means create, update, insert, delete. So delete is there, create is there. Where's is view? Where is update?
View part.
Where is it? If you can show it to us, then you have complete that task, then you can actually get the marks. If not, you only have get 2 marks. Can you show it to us?
I think the update option is in contact.
Contact.
Now,
contact. That's actually the another section.
I think it is in the next function of for sign up for email alerts. That's the update you are talking about.
Who is doing the context us?
Contact us.
I'm doctor.
Okay,
The
it's
next
not,
person.
it's the next person, but you yourself, we're not talking about others. You're talking about you.
Because every of you need to do it for.
It is
Insert,
not individual.
update,
We
delete,
don't, yeah,
view. Okay.
yeah.
So
So you have to have
for
all that functionality for
Doctor,
each of.
everybody has done the project, but we just separated it for
I know,
the
but
presentation.
you have to
which
do it yourself. Each member, if you read carefully on the instruction, each member will have its own CRUD. Insert, update, delete for each. If you do not have that, then you have less marks. Were you that okay for you for that?
So you do it for this page, right? So you did for page news. So this is news.
Yeah, news about new newsletter. So
Newsletter.
you specifically on this. Okay, we ask you only to do that. So you should have CRUD for this, but right now you do not have. How can we give mark for this? Can you tell us? Can you tell me? How should we give marks for there's something which is not there?
Doctor, we have all work on the full project. Just this is the explanation is just separated from each
No,
of
you have
other.
to. You have to. You as a team member, you are supposed to be given this module, so you have to do it. So you have to show us. Can you show us?
Doctor, maybe I will add after this presentation the update option over here also.
Okay, all right. So
Okay.
you can show it to us. Can you show us the code a bit on this?
Yes, doctor.
Can you show us the code again a bit about how you insert the email for the subscription?
Oh,
I mean, show the code, the coding side.
codings.
Not inspect, the actual PHP code.
My laptop is little bit lagging. Sorry for that.
Okay.
Okay. View.
I think based on your, basically here you only have subscribe, subscribe, add, subscribe, delete. So you do not have the update and view, right? That's
Yes,
what,
doctor.
yeah. Okay, all right. So I think that one is very important. Okay, if you do not have complete, then we cannot give you full mark for this.
So mean for the crew, you only you only complete 2 parts. Insert and delete.
Yeah.
Right. But for update and view, so you cannot. So you need to do it. You need to improve lah.
Yeah.
Okay, doctor, I will add after this.
You cannot share the code, lagging.
Lagging. Maybe actually the pages you select. Okay, the section you select also play important role lah, because you need to look for the pages lah which is suitable for you to update actually. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
This one also same the title subscribe also actually you need to update the button subscribe also I can update actually update to my own word actually. Okay. Title. Okay. Number 4.
Thank you, Doctor. The rest will be explained by my
Mm-mm.
Okay,
friend
go
I
ahead.
Asif
think
Ibu.
for
Okay,
I
go
think for
ahead.
you you need
Mm.
to ni.
You have missing parts. Okay.
You have two missing parts. So I think for you you can uh improve
Represent back later.
represented to get full
Full mark.
for crude. Okay.
Oh, noted, Doctor.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay. Next, who's
Assalamualaikum, Doctor.
Okay,
Yes,
Asif.
I'm Asif Iqbal.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna
Okay.
share the screen now.
Okay, Asif. Okay.
Can you see the screen, Doctor?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. My part is the contact part and the message part.
Contact us.
So
Okay, contact us. Okay.
speak slowly. Okay. Okay. This is my part. I can add my name here, and this data will be added to the admin panel here. So here, if I type like and
This one user view.
yeah, yes, this is my user view, and if I send the message, then the message will be go to the admin view here. You can see I can reload now, and the data is now here. So I can delete it, or and for any user, those who are listed here, I can search for them by the name. I've given the variable variable person, because for that, if I like type B and C, then the names will come B and C. After that, it will show the closest name with the B and C. This will come. This is the admin view for the user message part. And I have the contact info here, also updated here. For the, I can update this contact list, and then like if I do this one, then submit, then the contact list will be updated here. Okay.
List.
Okay, got it down there. Teacher back.
Yes, Doctor.
There, here. Teacher, you change already.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
too
okay.
small, so
Yes,
I try to
Doctor.
find.
Me, I was not also finding it. Right. So. Okay, so this is the updated part, and I can also deep
How about the
this
phone
one,
number
and
and all the other
also,
things?
yes, Doctor.
How about the phone number and addresses can change?
Oh, yes, I can change that also.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
all right. Okay, got it. Okay,
Okay, Doctor.
So
about the yes,
but
Doctor?
the icon you cannot change, right?
No, Doctor. This one, right?
This one,
this
and then the
icon
telephone,
and this
this icon, the other
icon.
side.
Yes.
Yeah.
No,
cannot change,
those are fixed. Yeah, no, Doctor. Because those are telephone icons, so I don't think that no one should change it, right?
But maybe I want to use
Yes,
the green color.
I know.
The green color. Okay.
Yes, Doctor. And
but actually, you can do it lah.
Yeah, I can do it. Yes,
yeah,
Doctor.
because you already show that the content here, so you can do it for icon actually.
Yes, I can do that for the icon also does, Doctor. And I've also done the logout, the forget password part, but Sadal already shown it. So for there is another here. the block part. So we didn't show you the block part. So Sadman Sakib will come again and he will show the block part because Ontu isn't present. So
So
he
you
all
also did forgot password, right?
yeah, yes, doctor. So
Okay.
the block part will shown by the Sadman Sakib. Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
Any question? Okay.
Salaam, doctor.
Okay, salam.
So, as you know, our one group member, she has worked on this along with us. So I'll be presenting also this one. So this is the blog part, as and we know the blog is the what is the food menu, the details of the food, and what about the food. This is one option. And about the update, and choose file. It should be the proper image file to be fit in there because of the specs. Then we can add title and description of the food. And once we refresh it, the blog food, the food will be visible in the blog menu. And if we want to delete it, we can also delete it, also edit it. We want visible. This is the function of the whole blog menu.
The picture. So you can change the picture, right?
Yes, you can change the picture.
Yeah. The picture can.
Can I add another picture from somewhere else?
Yeah, yes, doctor, we can also upload it from somewhere else, but if the resolutions is not compatible with the application created, it will create a flaw like that. I mean, it will stretch out or something like that. So can show you. Like these are, I have downloaded just from the Google to show you that the picture is not compatible with the resolution, so it has been stretched out.
Okay, why?
For the because the resolution of this picture is not the same as this one.
Okay, why? Why can you make changes on this? But you should be able to, right?
Yeah.
Where should we control this?
We can edit it from the required resolution. If we change this picture to the required resolution, it will like
What if you
like
control
I
it
show
from
you.
your HTML? Okay, if you control it from your HTML file. Okay, if you go to the page again, I upload the same page again, the picture just now. Upload the huge picture, large picture, right? Open.
Yeah.
Okay, upload. Okay, and then you go back to the, okay, refresh. Okay, you see the image huge, right? Okay, click right mouse on this image. Go to inspect. Okay, if you go to inspect, okay, go to the code. You can see the source. image. You see the image here?
Hmm.
Yes.
The same.
Okay, you can make it smaller, right? You can change the width, right?
Yes.
Okay. You can add the width here. Okay. At this image with the image SRC, you can add something there. Okay, I think you're currently using the web browser. I couldn't mark anything.
Oh.
Okay, go to image, double click on the image, click right mouse. Click right mouse on image SRC. Click on top, the line, the code on top. Somewhere on top, right? Image SRC. Image SRC. All right. So click right mouse on this. Okay. And then you go in front of SRC. Go in front SRC. And the line SRC equals. Hello. Can you hear?
Yes.
Doctor, it's coming lack of network, so I'm hearing something and then again it's going out. Then
Okay. Okay, go to just before the SRC just now. You can add.
as doctor, then
SRC lagi click.
SRC, you can add width and height. Okay, then you can limit the size. I think all the team members understand, right? What I'm trying to say. Okay, why are you scrolling down? Go up, go up. Some more up. Where's the image just now?
Hmm.
Okay, I think you already went too far already. I don't know where you are. Okay, where's your image just now? Okay, I think the image now is smaller already, is it?
Hmm.
yes.
Okay, you can either change at the HTML side or you can also change at the CSS side. So whichever also can. So you need to make sure that you understand what you're doing. So it means whatever size of the image doesn't really matter. Okay, the most important is how you control your HTML to making sure that it fits. So I think this is the missing part, that you are not managing your template properly and how to manage your viewing of your interface. Okay, all right. So I think other than that, you're okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, who else left now? Anybody else need to present?
Just
Done?
Anika. Just Anika. Rahman and just Anika.
Only her lah. So she's
only
not.
her.
Sadman Sakib already represent Anika's part. Blog was done by Anika.
So blog was done by Anika.
Yeah, but I
Yes,
think
sir.
she has to actually explain to us.
Okay, doctor. Doctor, one more thing. We have to show you. We have to show you one more thing. Let me share my screen.
Okay, go ahead.
Suppose
Can you speak louder?
if you see, if we log out from here, we can, if anyone can to bypass the system to without logging to the system, they can. So we use here authentication option for that. We have add authentic. Sorry.
Okay, go ahead. I can't hear you very well, but
Can't hear very well.
Actually, doctor. Sorry, doctor. So at first, if anyone try to bypass his system, they can bypass the login option. For login, they have to for go to that page. At first, they have to log into the system. If you can see here, I can show you. No, sorry. Just a minute, doctor. Okay. Restaurant. Very good. Here, Doctor, here you can see we add authentication for the login. If anyone want to go to blog.php,
Mhm.
he entered the blog.php. If he try, PHP, it asks for login first. Okay, it's written
Mhm.
to login.php page because if he want to go to that page, at first they have to log into the system. They can't bypass the system login page. When they
Mm.
log
Okay.
into the system, after that they can go to the other page.
Okay.
That one for
That's
blog.
all. Actually, the doctor, I was talking for the admin panel. Admin
Oh,
panel,
admin.
when work on admin panel, they have to access to the
They have to log in
page.
before they can access the admin
For the
page.
admin, they at first they have to log in. Without logging, they can access to the other system.
All right.
Right.
When they try to log into the other system, they have to go back to login for login page to login first for login
Okay.
first.
All right. Got it.
And Doctor, for the here we work in three parts. Actually, login was done by me, logout was done by Satkabi, and forget password was done by Asfikba.
Mm-mm.
Actually, it was quite impossible to work alone to work with login page. That's why we divided in three pages. But when we did the presentation, it was tough to show differently. Suppose one show login, one show logout, and one show forget password. That's why Satkavi represent the whole part,
Mm.
and he forget to say he forget to say about the authentication. Right.
Mm.
Okay.
That's all
Mm.
about our presentation.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Doctor, for your
Okay. Okay.
cooperation. Thank
Okay.
you, Doctor.
Thank you,
Okay.
doctor.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay. So
Okay.
far, just to give you a bit of review
Thank you.
on everything. So
Everything. Let's
far,
summarize.
I think to summarize, the template wise and the one that you have done, so far there are some differences. I think when you copy or when you try to adjust it, so there are certain missing parts. Okay, like the one that we saw just now. Okay, and so overall the functionality is working fine. Okay, but sometimes certain things that the objective that you want to do and the one that you actually supposed to do during the classes or during this project, it might not fit directly. But so far it's there. All right, so I think it's just not complete. Okay, I think this can be improved some more. Okay, you can make it more interesting so that you can actually make it better. Okay, I think for the subscription, I think Simon, I think can do a little bit more just to show how you demonstrate the subscription. Okay, maybe for example, when somebody logged on, after logging on, if he's already subscribed, maybe you can show write a button on top there saying that he is subscribed.
Mm.
Okay, if it's not, then it shows nothing. Okay, maybe if you can do show that, then you can do an update whether active or not active, right?
Mm-mm.
Instead of deleting, you can change them into active or not active. So you can active them or unactive them. So if it's unactive, mean the name is still there, but it's just not active. Maybe they do not want it to be subscribed or they don't want to subscribe anymore. Okay, so you can do something like that. If you can do that, then okay lah. Then you complete the task already.
Mm-mm. The rest
Okay,
is okay lah.
that is okay,
Mm-mm.
right?
Okay.
So maybe your lecturer want to give any comment? Go ahead. If there is anything.
Yeah. So far, what to say? So the rest is okay. So only part for summons lah, because you do not complete our code. Okay, so we suggest you to improve what from the side say just now lah. So you can improve something like that lah, because you only fulfill two code. Okay, two more not complete. Okay, so that is our main request lah. So you can try to improve, and then you can once you ready, so you can show us back, because this is very critical part. So we try to make it you all complete for this one. So it's up to you all. It's up to you all. So if you want to improve, yes. If not, you can stop until end here lah. Okay. So we give what the mark we give for
Yeah.
today lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we give marks based on what you have right now.
Right now.
Yeah, but if you want to improve, you can let us know. Then we'll do a small presentation for you. Okay, then you can get more marks. But if not, then you only get this. Okay, right?
The best
If
practice
you
we do it
give us some
something
time,
like
doctor,
this.
we can make the improvement
Yep.
on it.
We give
Okay.
you time.
Actually we know about all of those things, but we make some mistake because it was our first project we have done together. We make some complexity during working in a group. Yes.
So do you find the project very tough?
Doctor, besides this time, we are doing alternative exam is going on and also the project submission. So
That's why.
Doctor, we try our best. Please
All right,
consider us
understand.
if we take any mistake.
Actually,
Inshallah,
doctor,
we'll
we done
improve.
this in 2 or 3 days. Actually, that before we were 2 alternative assessment, more other things you know better, doctor. So we tried our best. I hope you will consider us, and we will try our best to improve it as soon as possible.
Okay,
Yes.
As we
no
can.
worries.
Yes.
We're not
If you
analyzing
Doctor,
it.
sorry for the any mistake. Actually, we have all cooperated in the whole project. Only the presentation was selected. Like I have contributed like in everything. So the block part was as Anika Ramanuntu was a little bit tried, but not so. I have to done some of her part also. So please consider on that basis. And once I updated the newsletter, I will show it to you again.
Okay.
But maybe for Anika, because she did not presented, so maybe she lost for part for presented marks lah.
Yeah, she held. She was with me while doing the block part. We both do together. But she had a problem, so she tried
To try, okay.
doing that part.
So if you say something like that, it's okay lah. Hopefully your group do not have any problem lah. I just to find out if maybe your group you have a problem, because some group they have a problem and then directly tell us. So
Doctor, as a group, we are doing a group project, so we have to cooperate with each other. So we have no problem with each other.
We
help each other
understand
during the
her
project.
problems. We don't force her
Because
that
doctor,
much.
you know,
Just try
when we
to
work
guide
in a
as much
group,
we can.
we need
One by
to
one,
help
guys.
each other.
Guys, one by
One by
one,
one.
please.
Okay.
Actually, doctor, the internet is interrupted, so I can hear him. Sorry, doctor.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Don't panic. Relax.
Don't panic. Still have
Doctor,
time.
we were
Do
really
them more.
afraid. Yes.
Don't worry. We are not penalizing you. Don't worry. So just just relax. Just a relaxed presentation. So
Because
that's it.
doctor never before did like 1 hour presentation. This is the first time we are facing. That's why we were like from yesterday. I said everyone that how could I spend 1 hour? It would be too bad for us. Like we haven't never experienced like this types of presentation.
Yes. But if you join my class, yes, this is what we did in my class.
We will do
start
something
doing
like
all right. We start doing this one. I think 2 years ago, so right?
Yeah, we've been
but
doing like this.
But 5 years or 6 years ago, we did this one actually. Sir come to Johor Bahru and then the presentation did in our
face to face.
Face to face. He from Kuala Lumpur. He go down to JB for the presentation, and then on the weekend also a certain week she go down to JB and then to serve for back end part. Okay. So new experience lah for you all. Okay.
Yes,
presentation goes to live FB. Okay. So no need to what we call it nervous. Just relax.
Yeah, just relax. There's
Just
nothing
relax.
wrong.
Okay. So I think you yes.
Doctor, lastly, we're going to thank you both of doctor because you cooperate with us, and we are really thankful to you and both doctor because you teach us as like a friendly behavior, so we can share anything like doctor and you, like if we face any problem in class that you did to make us how could we do better. So really, doctor, we really appreciate. Thank you so much,
Alright.
doctor.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay. Yeah,
So
you're
that's what we
welcome.
are here for, to help you guys.
Yes,
That's
sir.
right.
Thank you, Doctor.
All right.
Thank you,
That's
Doctor.
right.
Okay. All right.
So good
take care.
luck for your exam. Okay. So for your exam,
you.
so later on I will update about our exam. So I will inform in our Telegram group. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Okay. Try to find Anika for
Yes,
the rest assessment. So I hope he can submit. It's very important to help she to pass in our subject. Okay.
Okay.
So
All
I
right,
think that's all
guys.
for your group.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you.
Sakib,
you.
Saman Sakib, see
Thank you,
you
Doctor.
after this.
Yes, doctor.
Okay, for your group. Okay, so help Saman to do it, to complete the part. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay. So I think that's all. So thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Okay.
Wassalam.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum, doctor. Have a good day.
Assalamualaikum, Doctor.
Waalaikumsalam.
Have a good day, Doctor.
Have a good day to you too.
Okay,
Thank
Saad
you,
Kabir,
Doctor.
are you okay?
Wassalamualaikum.
Saad
Yeah,
Kabir.
yes, doctor, I'm
Okay.
fine now.
You recover.
Thank you.
You also COVID. Okay.
Yes,
COVID.
yes, doctor. Thank
COVID.
you very much.
Okay. So hopefully you recover back soon lah.
Yeah, inshallah.
Right.
Okay. So I
Thank you,
think that's all. Thank you for your group. Okay. Asik, Iqbal,
Thank you, Doctor.
Roknul Zaman. Okay.
Yes,
So
Doctor.
stay safe at your country. I think you all at your country, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Doctor.
Doctor.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Okay. So I think that's all. So Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, Doctor.
Assalamualaikum, doctor.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam. Okay. Take care.
Okay. Okay. Take
Bye.
care. Bye. Okay. Now group number 3. Group number 4.
Nak break lunch break.
Okay. Kita break lunch break dah dulu.
Lunch break. Lunch break.